Ever wondered who's pulling the strings behind Gemini, that sleek crypto exchange you keep hearing about? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the murky waters of ownership and uncovering the key players in this crypto kingdom. Now, Gemini might seem like a standalone entity, but the truth is, it's a carefully orchestrated dance between a few key figures. At the helm, we have the Winklevoss twins, Cameron and Tyler. You might remember them from a certain social media drama, but these brothers have proven themselves to be more than just tech titans. They're crypto visionaries, determined to revolutionize finance as we know it. The Winklevoss twins founded Gemini in 2014, aiming to create a secure and regulated platform for trading cryptocurrencies. And let's be honest, they've made quite a splash. Gemini has become a major player in the crypto space, known for its robust security measures and user-friendly interface. But who exactly owns this digital behemoth? While the Winklevoss twins are undoubtedly the faces of Gemini, the ownership structure is a bit more complex. Gemini is a privately held company, meaning its shares are not publicly traded on stock exchanges. This allows the company to maintain a high degree of control and focus on long-term growth without the pressures of quarterly earnings reports. So, if it's not publicly traded, how exactly do we determine who owns Gemini? Well, that information isn't always readily available. Private companies are not obligated to disclose their ownership structure in the same way that publicly traded companies are. However, we can make some educated guesses based on public statements and industry reports. It's highly likely that the Winklevoss twins hold a significant stake in Gemini, given that they are the founders and driving force behind the company. However, it's also possible that they've brought in outside investors, such as venture capital firms, to fuel the company's growth. These investors would likely have a stake in the company as well. Another factor to consider is employee stock ownership plans, ESOPs. These plans allow employees to own a portion of the company, which can be a powerful motivator and help to align employee interests with those of the company's owners. While we may not have a definitive breakdown of Gemini's ownership structure, it's clear that the Winklevoss twins play a pivotal role. Their vision, leadership, and deep pockets have undoubtedly propelled Gemini to the forefront of the crypto industry. Looking ahead, Gemini is poised for continued growth. The crypto market is still in its early stages, and as it matures, we can expect to see increased demand for secure and regulated platforms like Gemini. The Winklevoss twins, with their deep understanding of both technology and finance, are well positioned to capitalize on this growth. But the future of Gemini, and the crypto industry as a whole, is not without its challenges. Regulatory uncertainty, market volatility, and the ever-present threat of cyberattacks are just a few of the hurdles that these companies must overcome. Despite these challenges, the potential of cryptocurrencies to revolutionize finance is undeniable. Platforms like Gemini are at the forefront of this revolution, connecting people to a new and exciting financial future. And while the exact ownership structure may remain somewhat shrouded in mystery, one thing is certain: the Winklevoss twins have left an indelible mark on the crypto landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.